noticed how the right gadget can completely change the way you work, relax, or enjoy your day? Today, I'm showing you some seriously cool gadgets that are smart, powerful, and incredibly useful. Stay with me to discover what they can do, and if you like any, check the links waiting in the description.
First product on the list is Midnight Arrives. Your phone says you slept fine, yet your body disagrees. That gap between numbers and reality is where the Ring-Con Gen 2 smart ring quietly shines. First impressions matter. The Ring-Con Gen 2 looks minimal, almost invisible on your finger. But inside, advanced sensors track sleep cycles, heart rate, stress signals, and daily recovery. No bulky watch, no distractions, just quiet health tracking working in the background. Here's the real problem most people face. Smartwatches feel heavy, need constant charging, and often become annoying during sleep. The Ring-Con Gen 2 Smart Ring solves that by staying light, discreet, and surprisingly comfortable through the night. Battery life? Several days on a single charge. That alone removes the daily charging frustration. Compared with Aura Ring Gen 3, the Ring-Con Gen 2 focuses on simplicity and often avoids subscription costs, though its app ecosystem is slightly simpler. Who should buy it? Anyone serious about sleep tracking and recovery without wearing a watch. One small ring, a surprisingly honest mirror of your body.
A room can feel completely different with one simple change: light. Yet most homes still struggle with harsh glare or dull corners. That's where the Cloudy Bay 4-inch LED recessed light quietly transforms the atmosphere. Let's start with the problem. Many ceiling lights are either too bright, too yellow, or painfully inconsistent. You install them hoping for comfort and end up with lighting that feels cold or uneven. Now enter Cloudy Bay 4. This compact recessed LED light focuses on balance, smooth brightness, clean ceiling integration, adjustable color temperatures that help you shift from warm evening relaxation to bright daytime clarity. Installation is straightforward. Once it's in, the room simply feels calmer and more modern. Compared with Philips Hue white and color ambience downlight, the Cloudy Bay 4 skips complex smart home ecosystems and keeps things simple and reliable. That also makes it far more budget-friendly. Upside, consistent lighting and strong energy efficiency. Downside, it lacks advanced app-based smart features. Who should consider it? Homeowners upgrading everyday lighting without unnecessary complexity. Sometimes comfort isn't loud. It's simply the right light in the right moment. Ever noticed how harsh bathroom lighting can turn a simple morning routine into a frustrating experience? Enter the Starlead LED bathroom mirror, a subtle upgrade that changes not just your reflection, but your entire start-of-day energy. The real issue? Ordinary mirrors either cast shadows, distort colors, or leave you squinting at your own reflection. It's small, daily annoyances like this that quietly drain your mood. The Starlead LED bathroom mirror fixes this with even, bright illumination that feels natural, not artificial. Touch controls and adjustable light settings let you shift from soft ambient glow to crisp, makeup-perfect clarity. Compared to Kohler Vireta LED mirror, Starlead skips unnecessary bulk and pricey smart integrations, focusing on reliable, consistent lighting that works for any bathroom style. Upside? Sleek design, customizable brightness, and easy installation. Downside? No built-in defogger in the basic model. Perfect for anyone tired of dim, unflattering bathroom lighting. A mirror isn't just reflective, it sets the tone for your day. And that's a wrap on the Starlead LED bathroom mirror. If you enjoyed seeing how this simple upgrade can completely transform your bathroom experience, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details. Hit like if it helped, subscribe for more gadget insights, and stay tuned for the next smart upgrade that can make your daily life easier and brighter.